Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style, click on Wallpapers, and now just choose the one that you wish to cover your screen with. Let me go, for example, maybe with this one. Here you can, okay, so you cannot scroll to check, but you can just go back and pick another one to see how it looks on both home and lock screens. And let me apply, so let's stay with this green one, mark set as, and finally decide. Okay, so give it a couple of seconds. And finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.